Hello, join me today as I unbox this dog ramp for the car by Dear Jim. The foldable design is for easy carrying and it's relatively lightweight. It's very easy to assemble. All you do is unvelcro the handles and pull it up like that, and then you attach it to your car. Each step has this material that's good for traction for those paws so they don't slip. And you hook the hook around the latch of your tailgate. I should also add that there is a weight-bearing support bar under each step. These stairs can support up to 250 pounds. So they are for your large dogs as well as your small dogs. These stairs are ideal for short-legged dogs, elderly or impaired dogs, or maimed dogs. Each of my dogs caught onto these stairs very quickly. They can go up and down them with no problem. I love that the step design reduces joint issues in your dog. Our small dog Winston had an accident a few years ago, and it's really limited his jumping and he can't get in and out of things. But with these stairs, as you can see, he gets up them and down them with no problem. And it gives him a more sense of independence. When you're not using them, you just unclip it and push it back down. It's that easy to put away. Grab the handles and just put it in the back of your car. We love this product.